Here we have the old school camper going on vintage, and you can see the corner is starting to rip a little bit, and I want to stop that. So I've done some work to the other side, and you can see that it is really nice. This one wasn't ripped yet, but you can see how it holds it nice. It's a piece of leather. I'm going to use this contact cement and just put it right behind the corner. So I'm going to do that right now. So a quick visual on the one I've already done. It's just pasted in there. I thought maybe I would have to stitch it, but it's on there really good. So I'm going to mark where this corner is real quick. Leather, cement, hammer, 1x4s, a brick. We have some snips, have some clamps, we have a marking tool. This is so I can work without getting it on the rest of the tent. So here's the rear right before. Here's the right rear after. Here's the rear left before. There's the left rear after. Okay, so here we go. This is the fun part. Get a little dope off this. It comes from the back of your brain. So these lined up now, and I'm going to cut this out. You can see this stuff is going everywhere. As soon as you take the cap off, look at that. That's horrible. So be careful taking the cap off. The stuff goes everywhere. I'm using the raggedy side because it's going to have a lot of tooth for what we're doing. I'll mark the outside real quick right now. And then really lightly, just go along this outer edge right here, right here. I don't want it to soak through and make a mess on the other side. Then we put it in place. Okay. Smells off a little bit, that's all right. That side's clamped. And I'll let that sit for a while. It's not perfect, but what I'll do is I'll hit it with a hammer in a little bit. So we'll let that sit for 20 minutes. Here we have the left rear side going. May not need to do all this clamping, but it's just kind of a perfectionist type thing. Make sure it goes around the corner at the right spot. You can see where I marked the corner. All right, one final step that I've been doing is respecting that corner a little bit. Put a brick behind it and hit it. That way I'm sure that every square inch is pushed down very hard, almost like it has been in a press. Oh, be careful. Put another hole in it. Huh. Yeah, it's an old canvas, so careful on that one. But you can see you get a little bit of a wrinkle maybe. So just tap it all down in. One more on the back. That's just pretty. Here's another one. This is like a canvas patch kit. This was done before I bought it. I can leave a link in the description to those as well in case you need that. I did get a little bit on one of the screens I was able to get off with this denatured alcohol. All done, took me about 20 minutes. Here's the side here that was done, and then here is the other side that needed to be done. As you can see, it gives it some more body, like the bottom that hangs off, it doesn't try to go underneath. So it's kind of nice. You can see the leather right there. I might have to touch that up with some paint or something so you don't notice, but I don't really care. It's an older one. As you can see, I'm still going to have the look and feel of rips, but I know it's taken care of and it's not going to get worse. I hope this video helped you. I can leave a link in the description to all the products I use to get this job done. Also in the description, I will leave a link to my eBay store where I sell all kinds of used items right there on eBay. And other than that, I guess you could also, if you want to help the channel, run down all my videos and click all the ads. That'll help me out a ton. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.